recording halfway through. What? We are leaving. If you want to say goodbye to us before they take off, you're more than welcome to. I'm Paul, this is Brian. What is your name while we're walking down here? Come walk with us. Indian, German, American, British. Come on over.
That was weird. The light on the camera keeps going out.
It flashes.
It flashes? It's out again.
Yeah.
The light on your...
This thing just died.
Yeah, and the light on your cam... Hey.
Died?
And to let you know, going all the way down and it's recorded, the light on the camera keeps going out.
Yeah.
Right throughout here.
The camera just died on him.
Yeah, the light keeps going out on the camera.
Put it back on. Hang on. Hold this for a minute. I want to clear the light. Just died.
Yeah, it was throughout here. I kept saying the light keeps going off on the camera.
Are you draining energy from our devices?
Holy shit, this thing just dropped half.
Are you draining the energy so you can let your voice be known?
Huh. I was walking right down in front of you and the light keeps going on and off.
Yeah, this thing still has battery power and it flips the fuck on.
It just did it again. You'll catch it. It's recording. It goes completely off. The light on here keeps going off.
Yep.
See?
Are you making contact with our light? Do you not like lights?
But this isn't going off. You would... There we go. See?
Yep.
Yeah, this just went off again too.
Yeah, this thing just died. And we're still on a third. So we'll have it.
Trying to tell us something? Off. Off and on. Off. On.
Are you pushing the button on this camcorder?
Off. On.
Yeah, I think they found a new toy
Off.
to play
On.
with. I think they're done with this one. Yeah. From the sounds of it, I think they're done with this.
Yeah.
Because they've been focusing on that light.
There. It's the camera.
Yep. And it usually does not turn off like that either.
It only happened once the whole time I was using it. And
I think it found something that they're not familiar with, and they're probably testing it out.
I don't know.
Turn the light off.
Thank you.
Holy shit.
Can you do that again, please?
Thank you.
Holy shit.
All right. If you are you male?
Turn light off if you're male.
Are you female?
If you're a female, can you turn the light off? Okay. Are you a colonel?
I don't think it matters since they're dead.
Very true.
They get promoted 2 levels if they're dead. So that'd be...
All right.
The lieutenant.
Can you just turn the light off? Thank you.
Okay, hang on. I want you to turn the light off and on twice.
Can you,
I don't think it likes orders.
Yeah.
Can you please turn the light on and off 2 times? Thank you. One more. Thank you. It likes me.
Yep.
All right. Can you light up the device that's in front of my hand? Do you see that green light? If you do, can you turn this light off and on again? Please?
Could you please make it flash?
Nope. It just likes your,
Okay.
it just likes your camera.
Yeah, it just does. If you like my camera, can you please turn off the light?
I don't think they know what a camera is, at least that style.
Okay, can you turn the light off and on again?
Yeah.
Thank you. I don't know what else to ask.
I don't know
It
either.
only likes turning the light off and on when we ask it to.
Can you turn off the light to say yes if you like turning off the light and on? Do you like playing with the light?
Were you a patriot? Were you a redcoat?
If you were a patriot, can you please turn the light off again? If you're a redcoat, could you please turn the light off again? All right. Can you just turn the light off again? Ooh, you're lighting up on me. Thank you, thank you. Can you do that again? You did just see the meter go off, right?
I did.
It went up to the yellow.
Oh.
Thank you. Can you do me a favor? Can you please come up to this device again? Get as close as you can to it. It's not going to hurt you.
Okay, how many devices are out right now?
Okay, the green light device in front of this camera. Can you do that again? It's not the flashlight. Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you.
that light we know you know how to use. Yes, yes,
Yes,
thank
you
you.
Are you getting angry with us?
Do you want us to leave? Okay, I'm gonna take that as a yes.
Okay.
I'm taking that as
Do you want us to stay? Do you want us to stay? It's going off either way. Okay, we're going to start walking toward the entrance here.
Wrong way.
This way.
Here if you take the path.
Yeah. Since he's screwing with the camera, or she. I think
Oops. Do you want us to stay? Okay.
One more flash if you want.
One more flash if you want us to stay, please. Okay.
That's awesome.
Okay, we'll stay.
This thing's recording, right?
Yes, it's recording.
Just you. We'll go.
Do you guys have an EVP going?
What did you just ask to make it go off?
I asked if it wanted us to stay, and I told it to keep going.
It wants us to stay.
Okay.
There's the button for it.
The button's
Right
right,
there.
here.
Right
No one's
there.
even near it.
Yeah, it's on the side.
There
Okay.
it goes again.
I want to see if it's actually pressing.
It can't be. It's right here.
I know. I'm trying to see
I
if
see
it's
what you're saying.
Here.
Can you?
Let me see that.
Okay.
dead, dude.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can you stop making the light go off real quick for a moment, please? No, you like the light. I'm getting cold chills right now. I do feel like there's something near me, but it's really cool. Okay, you obviously know how to get our attention.
Do you like Janine?
Yep.
Can you please make these lights light up? You did it a minute ago and I really liked it. Could you do it, please? Okay. I guess you just like that light. You did get a spike on this earlier.
Yeah, I believe it.
I'm recording through this to show that we're not
Is there more
touching
than
that
one
light.
person?
That button's not moving either.
Okay. Can you please make these lights light up? You did it a minute ago and I really liked it. Could you do it, please? Okay. I guess you just like that light. You did get a spike on this earlier.
Yeah, I believe it.
I'm recording through this to show that we're not
Is there more
touching
than
that
one
light.
person?
That button's not moving either.
Okay. Thank you. I kind of need the light to stay on for a bit. You don't want it on.
Is the light bugging you?
I've been counting in between moments too, and it's not like every 2 seconds or anything like that. It's just periodic, sporadic. And the fact that it was answering when I was asking before. Is there anything that you want to tell us?
If there is something you'd like to tell us, do you see the red light that I'm holding?
Here. Right here. You see that device he has? Yep, okay, you're not turning my light off on me now. Do you see that device? Can you talk into that? That black box in his hand, can you talk into that, please? The light's not turning on. Not
I see it.
He is not interested in speaking.
He's not interested in... Are you... I got an idea. Are you not interested in talking with us?
Will you talk to me? Okay.
Okay.
Can you make the light go off again? Thank you. Okay, I know you're still here. So weird. Are you trapped here?
Oh,
yeah.
shit.
Did you die here?
Were you wounded in battle?
Is there anything you want to tell us?
What is it?
You're going in and out of focus. I wish I knew Morse code. You trying to speak with us that way, with the light?
They didn't have Morse code back then.
Yeah.
No.
Morse died, or
I didn't.
invented it in the 1800s.
Yeah, I wasn't thinking. Okay.
It's not Morse, it's Morse.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. Kind of.
I'm stuck on. I'm stuck on whatever this is trying to talk to us. Okay.
Are you speaking to us and we just don't hear you? Can our device hear you?
Do you not want to be heard?
Do you have the ability to speak?
That was
There we go.
That was a long one.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
There we go.
I'm going to repeat the question. Do you have the ability to speak?
If you have... Okay. Is that a yes? If that's a yes, make it go off again. Thank you. I really wish you'd light up these pretty lights in front of me again.
We'd like to see an orange.
Shake the device and say this is
I don't know if they would know what,
This thing in my hand with the little green light, and I know you gotta know the color green. Can you please make it light up again? No. You like the camera?
Yep.
Okay.
That ends my section on this one then, because it definitely likes the camera.
Alright. So we're going to continue walking, and
Do you want us to stop
Do you want us
walking?
to stop walking?
He's having way too much fun with this.
Yes, he is.
Hang on.
It was her.
Whoa!
Yeah.
That's disrespectful. Yeah, see, the ghost is telling you that's disrespectful. Okay. I don't know what else to say anymore.
He's flashing his light. That's gotta mean something.
All right, we got to get going, okay?
Remain solid light if you want us to stay.
No, it just turned off. It was staying on for a bit, but I know you want us to stay. We'll come back and visit again.
That's actually maybe something you should ask. Ask them if they would like us
Do
to
you
come back.
would you like us to come back again?
I looked at it on the way up.
Yes. You would like us to come back again? Do it again. Okay, thank you. Yes.
We will come back.
We will come back and visit again. You have been very helpful to us.
Hey, Paul. Hey, Paul.
Yes.
Let me see the EVP.
What?
This is EVP.
Oh.
I know.
Yes, it is. Just hold it down.
Are you still with us? There we go. It wasn't going off. I know. Do you have a name? Well, of course you have a name.
It's the hell of a moon coming out.
Are you English? Are you English?
Okay.
The moon's coming out.
I see it.
Yeah, I messed
It
up.
just,
That's nice.
you like playing with us, don't you? Yes.
Are you having fun?
Define the concept of fun.
It still went off when I said it. See?
It's just having too much fun.
Yeah, I think
Sorry.
having too much fun.
It's hard to.
Child?
I don't. That's the one thing we didn't ask. We asked if it was male or female before, and it didn't go off.
All right,
it's
we're trying
playing
it.
it like it's a child.
Are you a little boy? Let's try this. You little girl.
That was a little bit quicker.
Well, wait a minute. What are you? It's telling you now you have 5 minutes left on your camera. It just drained it.
Yep.
Okay, you've had too much fun with the camera and it's about to die on us now.
Poor choice of words.
Yeah, I know, but okay, now I said something and there we go. I'm sorry, but we gotta get going. Your fun time is, yeah, up. Any last words before we leave?
Yep.
Okay.
Please speak with us.
Can you please make these lights go off for me? I'm going to ask my last time, please. Yeah, that light. I know you get it.
The green light.
All right.
The green light. Hang on.
I will.
The green light right here. I don't know where you are. Make that go off. Make it flash.
You did it for me earlier and brought it up to the yellow. You just like flashing the other light.
He does.
That is just so weird. How do we get out of here?
This way.
This way.
I just can't see. It stopped.
Stop.
It stopped. It's not flashing anymore.
And I guess. See.
Nope.
Nope, there you go.
Okay, sorry. I spoke too soon.
Maybe we're getting outside its range.
No. Apparently not. All right.
Kid. Well, they had drummer boys back
They did. They had drummer. Were you a drummer boy?
then, and they were targeted.
Yep.
No, you're not. Okay, not a drummer boy. Not going off.
Were you a child on a farm?
Were you a child on a farm?
Nope. Oh.
Yeah?
Oh.
Were you caught in the crossfire?
Were you caught in the crossfire? Did you help the medics?
Well, it didn't.
Were you a messenger?
Oh.
There's your answer. Okay.
Wait, there was only one messenger.
Yes.
There was only one.
What would the message to?
It's from St. Clair to Hale.
Yep, it's blinking. Yes.
Were you St. Clair's messenger?
If you were St. Clair's messenger, please turn off. Thank you.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Well, we've identified our spirit.
We have to get, oh, I know. Okay, we got to get going. I'm very sorry, but we've had fun with you.
We will promise to come back.
You should discourage the spirits from following you.
Okay, you have to stay here now, okay? We got to go.
You are not